Pandas Dataframe, how can I compare values in two columns of a row are equal to the ones in the same columns of a subsequent row? Let's say I have a data frame like this. I would like to add a column with true or false according to the fact that fruit and color of row X are equal to fruit and color of row X plus 1, like this. I have tried the following, but there are some errors. I guess I am getting wrong results.
You had the right idea about shifted comparison, but you need to shift backwards so you compare the current row with the next one. Finally, use an all condition to enforce that all columns are equal in a row. Another alternative.
Similarly with other answers.
Flash